Namaste students, welcome to statistics class and we are discussing about 5th chapter univariate data. And in previous class we completed with the mean problems on the different kinds of mean problems. We have seen variety of mean problems there. Mean with ungrouped data, mean with grouped, discrete and continuous. Then in case of mean, the missing frequency problem and also weighted arithmetic mean, and the last mean problem which we have seen, it is combined arithmetic mean. Combined arithmetic mean is one of the properties of arithmetic mean. So we completed with the mean problems, and in yesterday's class we have also seen the formulas of median. What is median and which are the different kinds of formulas appear in case of median. Median is nothing but middlemost value when a data is arranged in an order. We pick the middle value when it is arranged in an order. Order means ascending order. Now in case of median also we have variety of problems. That is when it is ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, here we have two, that is when it is odd number of series and one more is even number of series. And also in case of median, discrete and continuous. And if continuous problem, whether it is if we get inclusive problem, what we need to do? We need to convert it to exclusive. Then if we get problems like less than, what we need to do? And if frequency is missing, what we need to do? So here also variety of problems are there. From each type we work out one problem. Now we'll see the three problems, different types of problem for now. Now we'll see the first one. Find median for the following. Find median for the following. And here number of observations are given. Firstly you see how many observations are given. Total 19 observations are there. Now what we need to do and which kind of data it is. Firstly identify which kind of data. We can easily see that here only number of observations are there. Means it is the only XY series. Frequencies are not there. Obviously it is not grouped, it is ungrouped. It is a ungrouped data. If it's a ungrouped data, in case of median, now you need to see whether here it is a odd number of observation or even number of observation. When we see here, when we count the observation, as I said, we have 19 observations. So 19 is obviously odd number of observation. If it is ungrouped and odd number, we need to apply one formula. That formula we need to apply here. Now firstly, we take the solution here. Solution for ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, odd number of series. This, it is not necessary to write while solving the problem. This is for your understanding. Since we are solving the first problem, your understanding of writing odd number of series. You can write in your point book or notebook, you can write for your understanding. But when you solve it in the exam, no need to mention there whether it is an odd number or even number. You should be knowing if it is odd number, which formula I need to take. Now, firstly, what we need to do in case of median, we need to arrange the given data in the ascending order. You observe here which is the least value. First you see the first series, which is the least value. We have 11 here. And observe the second line, which is the least value. We have least value here 11. So start with 11 and 11. Two are there. So 11 and 11, strike out. Then see which is the next. Is there 12 or 13? Find here, is there 12 or 13? Now second line, you see, yes, we have 12 here. Right here 12. Now nextly you see whether you have number 13. No, we don't have number 13, but we have 14 here. Find there, is there any other 14 here? No, we have 14 here. So strike this 14. Next, see there, can you find 15 over there? Yes, we have 15 here. Then is there any other 15? Yes, we have 15 here. Right there, 15, 15. Now 16 you find. 16, no, we don't have 16. Number 16 we don't have, but we have 17 here. But is there any other 17? No, we can find only 117 here. Yes, 17. Next, see there is there 18. Yes, we have 18 here. Only 118, I think. Yes, we have one number 18. Then is there 19? Like this 18. Is there 19? No, we don't have 19 there. Is there 20? Fine. Is there 20? Yes, we have 20 here. Is there any other 20 over there? No. We have 20 here, right? 20. And fine. Is there 21? Yes, 21 we have here. 121 we have. Is there any other 21? No. 121 we have. Right, 21. There. Find there is there 22. 32 is there 22. Yes, 122 we have. Right there 22. We can find there even 23. 23. Now is that 23 over? Is that 24? We are not finding any 24 here. So here 38, 35. Okay, 24 is not there. Is there 25? 25 is also not there. 26 also we are not finding it there. Next least value which comes immediate, that is 32 and 32. 32 are there. After 23 we are not finding any other immediate number. Other immediate number is, that is 32. 32 are there, right there. 32 and 32. Then we can find here 33 immediate number. Next immediate number 33. 34 we are not finding 34 here. We have 35 here. 35 are there, right there. 35 and 35. And see there next immediate number. Here it is 41 is remaining and here 38 is remaining. So next it is 38 and last one it is 41. So we arrange it in a order. Now here you see, here we need to see which is the middle value. Which is the not middle value. How many numbers we counted here now? Now we know that here 90 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now apply the formula here, median formula. Which formula? When it is ungrouped odd number of series, your formula goes like n plus 1 divided by 2 observation. Find the observation. N means how many number of observation? We know that 19 number of observation. 19 plus 1 divided by 2 observation. Don't forget to write the observation. So here 19 plus 1 divided by 2, we get there 20 by 2, that is 10th observation. 10th observation. Now check the 10th, which is the 10th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the 10th observation. So 10th observation is 21. So your median value is 21. You can, from the middle value also you can pick there. When you arrange it, you can pick the middle value. But we have formula there, so we need to apply this formula. N plus 1, how many observation? Plus 1 divided by 2, you will get 10th observation. So 10th observation you have to find. The 10th number is there 21. So 21 is our median. If you see like this is only the middle value. That is the middle value. Now this is about ungrouped data. When we have odd number of series, we need to apply this particular formula. Now next we will see the next problem, that is second one. When it is there also it is ungrouped data, but which number of series? Even number of series. These and all, these may come for 2 marks since we need to apply the formula, and this kind of problem it may come for 1 mark. If same problem, if 1 marks if it comes, then arrange arrange the series, then pick the middle one. Now nextly, the second one, find the median for the following, and this is also ungrouped data since we are not finding frequency. Ungrouped data, even number of series. Number of series. Here also arrange the data in a order, which is the lowest value here 1. Then after that you have 4 there. Then we have 5. Then we have 6. Then 7 is not there. 8 and 8. Then later on 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. 6 we have written, 8 and 8 we have written, 9 and 10. And 10. Now, total how many values? 8 values are there. So 8 value means these two will be the middle 2 values. These two will be the middle 2 values. Here 3, here 3 left, and this is the middle 2 values. So in this case, median is equal to middle 2 values divided by 2. Middle 2 value divided by 2. 6 plus 8 divided by 2. There we get, which is the middle value? There we get value as 7. So median value is, we know that in between 6 and 8 which will be the middle value? 7. We get here 7 again. But add middle 2 values. Add middle 2 values are divided by 2. This is about when you get even number of series. How to find the median? Arrange it in a order. Take the middle 2 values, add and divide it by 2. You get the middle value. Then next we will see the third problem there. We will see the third problem. Observe the problem there. Which kind of problem it is? Third one, which kind of problem? When you see there is a difference between first problem and third problem. If you check the third problem, here we have x as well as frequencies. Find median for the following. Here x as well as frequencies are given. When frequencies are given, it's a we need to consider it as grouped data. So it's a grouped data. Now how to find out median when it is grouped data? So we have here grouped data. How to find out median? First take the problem as it is. X and frequencies. X values goes like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. And frequencies goes like 8, 13, 25, 37, 23, 15 and 9. Now count the n values. What is the total number of frequencies? Total number of frequencies, when you count, you get there 130. Now in case of median grouped data, in case of grouped, which kind of series it is? It is discrete. It is not continuous because class intervals are not given. 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Class intervals are not there. So it is grouped, discrete. In such case, what is the median formula? The median formula goes like median is equal to n plus difference is capital N divided by 2 observation. The same problem which we have taken it for ungrouped data, but in case of ungrouped we are not using capital N, there we use small letter n, means number of observation we count them. But here this capital N denotes it is the total number of observation, that is 130. Now what we need to do? In case of median, always remember only in case of median you need to find out LCM. Immediately you need to find out, you require there less than cumulative frequency. In case of median, without finding LCF we cannot solve the problem there. So LCF is very important. If it's a median problem, discrete and continuous, the first and foremost thing you need median. Then how to find out LCM? Less than cumulative frequency. Go on adding the frequency 8. Then 8 plus 13. 8 plus 13 we get there 21. Next 21 plus 25, there we get 46. Then 46 plus 37, there we get 83. Next 83 plus 23, there we get 106. Next comes 106 plus 15, there we have 121. And next 121 plus 9, there we get 130. So this is about less than cumulative frequency. Always the last number of less than cumulative frequency will be the total of n. If you goes wrong there, you will get to know it. What is your total number of frequencies? That should be the last value of LCM. That is always you will get the last value of LCM. It should be equal. Now, nextly we know that n is equal to 130. So 130 plus 1 divided by 2 observation. Don't forget to write observation. If you do not write observation, your problem goes wrong. Then 130 means 131 by 2. Then we get 65.5 observation. Now, here the main thing is you need to see where this 65.5 will fall in case of LCM. Now you will need to see the LCM 65.5. It should fall within that number. Now we check, we know that within 8, 65 will not fall, it will come above. 21 also 65 will not fall. 46 also 65 will come after 46. And 83, yes, within 83, before 83, 65.5 will come, it will fall. So this is our median class. So this is our median class because 65.5 will fall within 83. So here we can say that this is a median class. Now, how to find out the median here? You got the median class by observing the LCM. Now, corresponding x value is our median. Corresponding x value, which is the x values of this particular row, that is 14. So here median is equal to 14. So your median is 14 here. In case of in case of group discrete, after applying the formula, you will get particular number. We need to observe the LCM where that number will fall. Number will fall means within that. For example, you will get here. Now you will get here 83. 83 exactly if you get, this only will be the mean value. Now for example 83.1. 83.1 means it will not come here, it will come here. 1 point more than that particular number also it will come to the next one because it should come within that. Number should be the below numbers, not above numbers. 83.1, for example here you will get 83.1. Then where it will come? Here, not here. 83 means it will come here. And before 83 whatever number will come, that also will come here. For example now 26. Here you will get 26. Where 26 will fall? It will come within this, not here. Here it is. In 21 it got over. Above numbers more than 21 it will till 46 it will come here. Now above 46 and below 83 it will come in this range. So here 65.5. So that 65.5 will fall here lesser than that. So corresponding x value is our median. So this is about the three kinds of problem, that is median with ungrouped data with odd number of series, median with grouped data with even number of series, and median with ungrouped even, median with group and discrete problem. Now we will see one more problem. Now we have seen three problems under median. When it is ungrouped even number how to solve, and ungrouped odd number how to solve, then discrete frequency distribution. Now we have one more type of problem here, that is continuous frequency distribution. From the following data find median. Now we will write the solution here for grouped data. For In case of group, we have now continuous series, grouped continuous data. And now take the problems. We take the problems, class intervals, that is, then frequency, then we need to find, as I told, that is LCM. And your class intervals goes like 122, 140, 142, 160, 162, 180, 182, 200, then 200 to 220, 222, 240, 242, 260, 262, 280, then last one 282, 300. 300, then one more is there, 300 to 320. Then write the frequencies as it is, 8, 12, 20, 30, 40, 35, 18, then 7, 6 and 4. And as I said, firstly calculate the total number of frequencies. When we total it, here we get total number of frequencies as 180. Nextly, we will find out their LCM. LCM goes like 8 plus 12, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, and 40 plus 30, then we get 70. Then 70 plus 40, we get there 110. 110 plus 35, we get there 145. 145 plus 80, 163. 163 plus 7, 170. 170 plus 6, that is 176. 176 plus 4, 180. So the last number of LCM should be the total number of frequency. Now, in case of continuous data, firstly we need to find out the median class here. See how to find out median class is equal to n by 2. Now, what is the total number of frequency? Total number of frequency is 180 by 2. 180 by 2, then we get 90. So, now you need to look into your LCM where 90 will fall. Now here, if you observe here where 90 will fall, 90 will fall within 110, then this is your median class. We have identified our median class. 90 will not fall here, 90 will fall here. And after 110 to 145 it will fall here. Now 90 will fall here. This is our median class. Now we will apply the main formula of median, that is median is equal to L plus here n by 2 minus CF, n by 2 by CF divided by frequency into C, then close the bracket. Now you need to look into only the median class. And what is L? L is nothing but in that median class, which is the lower limit. This is upper limit and this is lower limit of the median class. 200, L is equal to 200 plus, open the bracket, and n by 2, then we get n by 2 we already calculated, we have value as 90 minus cumulative frequency preceding the median class. Cumulative frequency means these are cumulative frequency, but preceding the median class. Preceding means previous cumulative frequency of the median class. This is the median class cumulative frequency. Preceding value means 70, the previous value 70 divided by the frequency of the class, that is 40, into what is the gap, what is the width of the class, that is 20, width is 20. Then close the bracket. Now once again I repeat, you need to look into the median class. L is lower limit of that class 200 and n by 2 which we already calculated, that is 90 minus cumulative frequency of preceding median class. Cumulative frequency means this is the cumulative frequency of median class, but preceding value 70 we need to take. Only the cumulative frequency we need to lower than median class, that is the previous one we need to take, 70, then frequency of this class, that is 40 into the width is 20, the gap, then 200 plus, when we solve this, we get a 90 minus 70 into 20 divided by 40, we get the answer of this bracket, that is 10. So, median is equal to 210. You will not be having any problem with the calculation. You may get confused with how to take the values. You need to identify the median class based on this, where you are 90. You need to see the LCR where that 90 will fall in case of cumulative frequency. 90 will fall here. So, this is the median class. Then see the median class, lower limit 200. N by 2 we know the value. CF, cumulative frequency preceding the median class, 70. Then 40, that is frequency of the class. Then gap. So this is about the median. We have seen today the 4 problems under median: ungrouped, ungrouped, discrete and continuous, and also in case of ungrouped, that is odd number and